Now we will use entities to improve the Copilot. Microsoft Copilot Studio uses entities to understand user intent. There are many pre-built entities included for commonly used information. And you can create custom entities for your specific purpose. If you want to see the pre-built entities, you can click on Settings and then click on Entities. These are pre-built entities. Now I will create an entity. I will click on Add an entity, New entity, and here I will choose Closed list. In the name, I will specify property type, and here I will enter apartment, and then condominium, and then duplex, and then I will click on this plus synonyms. Here I will enter flat, and then here I will click on plus and type single family home, and here I will type townhouse. Click on done. And for duplex, here I will type single family home. And then click on done. Click on save, and then click on close. Again, create a new entity. I will click on add an entity, new entity. Then here I will choose regular expression. I will give the entity name as number of bedrooms. And in the pattern, I will type 1 to 5. Click on save, and then click on close. Now we will use the entities. Now I will click on topics, and then from here I will click on book real estate showing topic. Now here we will add ask a question node. In the question I will type what type of property do you want to see. Here I will click on identify, and here I will choose property type. Then I will click on select options for user. I will select these options here. And in the variable, I will specify property type. I will add another ask a question node. This time I will enter how many bedrooms do you need. In the identify, I will choose number of bedrooms. And here I will specify the variable name as number of bedrooms. And then click on save. Now I will click on actions, and then I will click on add an action. I will click on flow, and then I will choose create a new flow. Now here I will enter get property as the flow name. And then here I will add an input variable. I will choose the type as text. Variable name is going to be bedrooms. Now here I will click on plus icon, then add an action. Here I will type data words. Now from here I will choose list rows. Now I will click on sign in to sign into the connector. Here I will choose the table name as real estate properties, and then here I will click on show all. In the filter rows, I will enter Quantaso underscore bedrooms equals and here I will specify the variable name. I will choose this variable which is bedrooms. Now here I will click on add an output and then text, and here I will enter property ID, and here I will enter the expression as this, and then I will enter it, and again I will click on add an output. This time I will enter the name as property name, and then I will enter the expression here. I will enter this expression to get the property name. Then click on settings. Make sure that asynchronous response is off, and then click on save draft, and then click on publish. We'll close Power Automate tab, and then I will click on refresh. Now from here I will choose get property, and then click on next, and again click on next, and then click on finish. Now I will click on topics tab. From here I will choose book a real estate showing. Now after this question, which is how many bedrooms do you need, I will click on plus. Now here I will click on call an action, and then from here I will choose get property. Here I will choose number of bedrooms as the variable, and now I will delete this action, which is which property do you want to see. Now I will click on this plus icon, send a message. In the message field I will type property, and here I will enter the variable which is property name, and then click on save and publish.